This 2025 Winnebago Vista 29NP is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, leveling jacks, external shower, stovetop burner, awning, skylight, water heater, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Vista 29NP is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.